What's going on, YouTube fam? I'm excited. I'm embarking on a new journey. And this time around, I was thinking, why not bring YouTube along with me? I'm always using Instagram, but this time, why not post some YouTube videos? I'm opening up a brand new 200K account. And one of the main purposes of this account is really to show you guys what it takes to get through phase one, right? Onto phase two, from phase two to ultimately getting that live account, right? So over the next past weeks or however long it takes me, I'll be documenting. And my plan is really to show you guys and be as transparent as I possibly can be with my trades, how I'm managing my account, psychology, anything that I find useful, I'll be sharing with you guys. And the prop firm that I'm choosing this time is MyForexFunds. And as all prop firms really start off, you have a challenge phase, right? You have to prove to them that you're consistent, you're profitable, and you can manage their risk. Right here, we have the 5% daily drawdown, which is an industry standard, as opposed to this 12% overall drawdown, which they actually give you 2% more than the industry average. So I think that's pretty cool right there. We have an 8% profit target, which is a little less than the industry average, making it a little bit easier, 5% for target phase two. From 10 minimum trading days, they actually brought it down to 5 minimum trading days. So you're able to actually get that live account a bit sooner than other prop firms that have the 10 days, which I think that is also a nice addition. So no restrictions on your trading is another reason why I also like this right here. There, you can trade the news, you can hold over the weekends, you can do a lot of different things with this prop firm. Here, I want to show you guys